What's up, guys? In today's tutorial, I will show you how to optimize your resume using Claude AI. So without further ado, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to Claude AI. Sign in to your account if you haven't already. Once you're on the homepage, upload your existing resume by clicking the attachment button. Next, type a prompt like, please optimize my resume, improve the wording, make it ATS friendly, and highlight my skills and achievements while keeping the information accurate. Then, send the prompt and wait a few moments while Claude analyzes your resume. Once it's finished, review the suggested improvements. Claude can rewrite bullet points, improve formatting, and make your resume more professional and easier to read. If you'd like to make further changes, simply ask Claude to adjust specific sections until you're satisfied with the final result. And that's it. That's how you can optimize your resume using Claude AI. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.